So can you share a story from your previous career that maybe will give you some skills or ways of thinking that you'll find helpful in engineering as you pursue it?
It's so funny because even in the metal workshop that I just completed, it's all the same as cooking. Even just all I didn't realize like all the problem solving that really go into engineering. So even it's just like being on a photo set, like, okay, we need to make XYZ changes. How do we do that? It's all the same. So it's like, okay, go print something. That didn't work. What do we need to do to fix that? It's all I can't believe how like parallel they are to each other. Like they are so seamless in the way of it's just, I mean, obviously different, but it like the way of thinking of like, okay, this didn't work because of this. How do we fix that? I mean, it's the same with cooking, baking, any of that. And then in the metal workshop, like we're mixing the sand and clay and water. I'm like, this is a huge food processor. And then like testing out, rolling out metals. I was like, this is a sheeter in a bakery. Like it's so funny how much translates into my previous life. Thank goodness. It's helping a lot. Yeah.
So it's going to be fun to watch your passion unfold as you continue to get into your field. So maybe we could talk about a little bit about how you balance that creative and entrepreneurial grit that you have and that you've developed over the years with that technical rigor that is required in engineering.
It's like I'm great using my hands, but then to 3D print, you need to be able to then transfer that into a CAD program or Onshape. So luckily with the little projects that's helped a lot. Like I was just looking at the first mug I 3D printed out of plastic and I was like, this is disgusting. Like just within 8, 9 months, it's like I could do this so much better already. But one big difference, because in a kitchen, I don't know if this is really on your question, but it's like, um, you're so stressed because if you don't make it perfect, like you're going to get yelled at. But here, that's why I was so scared, like printing my first little slider device for a remote for the side of one of the machines. Like it didn't work at first, and I was so scared, like, oh my God, they're gonna fire me. Like, but it's like, no, you learned what you messed up and you go back and you fix it. Like that's engineering. You just keep going back. And I was like, oh, like I'm not in
Yeah,
trouble
you
for,
keep iterating.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
like, okay, I
absolutely.
can. So that
Yeah.
I feel like just losing that anxiety is so huge.